Hello good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for tuning in. In today's video I would like to take you through my deep cleaning routine. Come with me. Now, I want to take you through how I do it, how I clean, and as you see how I clean, you will also be giving you like a house tour of this space, of the place that has been my home for the last blah 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 years. Yeah guys, so this is the living, actually the TV area. This is how I do it, but I actually don't do this every day, no, because there is a lot of things to do, and time is little. Not actually a lot of things to do, but you know, in our language we say kazi yaishagi, mwili ndio huisha. Like the body gets worked out, but the work will still remain there. So personally, I don't overwork myself. I don't overwork myself because this is something that I will do like every day. So why should I overwork myself? Do you overwork yourself? You know, monotony also makes things perfect. So since it's something monotonous, I know what to do, what not to do, where it's dirty, like that. So this deep cleaning, I do it once. So this is the living area. This is how I do it. Actually, guys, let me tell you, if you're in Gulf, you can relate that these houses are so big. Like this TV area, it looks small, but if you see the length, for me I see like it's a this could be a 3-bedroom house, just the living area, because there is this TV area and there is another part that is not actually in this video. I will do it in another video. You see this golden part here, the one that is wrapped with nylons, that part is not in this video, but it's a living area in itself. And then there is this TV area that is so big. It's big. Yeah, if it's a bedroom, it could be a 2-bedroom. It could be 2 bedrooms if I see the space from one window to the next. Yeah. And not okay, standard sizes. Don't tell me that your bedroom is bigger than this. I know. I mean the standard bedrooms, those ones that are in back home, yeah. If you're in Gulf, how big is your house? Okay, this one is a 3-bedroom house. It's a 3-bedroom house. I don't find it so big. But anyhow, I don't know. Now, this is the coffee table. Don't mind. I hope you don't mind the quality of the camera. It's not actually the quality of the camera, but it's in the morning and the sunlight is coming directly into the living area, so the quality of the camera is not so good, and unless I take it from another angle, which is not very possible at the moment. So the coffee table is glass. It has a glass top, and this glass top I have to wipe it now and then because of the dust. I have to lift it like this. Sometimes I can remove it and put it down and do this other side, but it's not very dirty, so that's why I didn't move it, all of it. Yeah, and I have the ashtrays, and I have the serviette box, and this other glass cleister here, I fill it, like we fill it with chocolates when there are visitors. When there are visitors, actually that's when we fill it with chocolates. When they finish, we will refill it. But it's not always with chocolates, especially right now because it's summertime. You can't leave the chocolates outside of the fridge. It's very, very, very hot. Yeah, so I put back my things before I forget. You know, you can clean and forget to put back things in their right place. So I prefer, when I'm done with something, I put it back in its rightful place. Okay, I don't have that disorder of OCPD. Is it OCPD? I know there is a disorder of being extremely clean. Is it extremely clean that you have to put things in the right place, straight, clean, I don't know what? Have you heard of people with those disorders? Personally, I know of people, I've heard of people who have those disorders, and they are a bunch. Anyway, we are all created in the image of God, and we will not judge. People will live life the way they want, just like I'm living mine the way I want. Don't judge other people how they live their life. It's their life to live, you know. Yeah, so here I have another coffee table. This is a decoration. I don't know what it is actually. It's a flower vessel, I think, because when we have flowers, that's where we put them. When they spoil, we throw them. But these are small coffee tables. You see, the big coffee table is far from maybe this chair and also the other chair on the opposite side. So when we have guests, we use these small coffee tables. If we are serving them anything, we put them depending on what it is. If it's something that will occupy a lot of space, we take the big one, the big, small. You see, there are three. We take the big one. If it's something just maybe a cup of coffee, we'll use the small one. Yeah, they are also glass topped, and I have to do the glass like I do the top of the glass every day, but now removing it, I don't remove it every day. I only remove it once in a week, or like in no particular order, I would say. In no particular order, I could say maybe it's dirty, depending, you know. Here we have, like, we are near the road. Like if I look outside the window, what I see is the highway. Not actually highway, but it's a road. And you know, all the soot from the vehicles, and you know, we can't stay with the house fully closed or fully locked, the windows, the door. We have to open it a little. So when we open, a lot of dust will come in by the end of the day. So you have to like wipe dust every day. So I will do the wiping, and by the time I finish this segment of deep cleaning, I will have finished. You will have seen the whole 3-bedroom house. Will I? I don't know if I will post. If you want me to show you the other parts of the house as I deep clean, kindly comment down below. I will show it to you. Yeah, so this is the dining area. It's a 8-seater. Do they say 8-seater dining area? Well, 8 seats. 8 seats dining area. We've put 6 on the dining and 2 next to the cabinet. What for? I don't know. They can actually fit the 8 here, but I think it's for decoration. Yeah, when we have extra people, we will put them on the dining. But now, since we don't have extra people, we just like to space them out like that. Yeah. And on top of the dining area there is a big chandelier. I will show you, the photo is just right here. Yeah, there is, yeah. This glass here, this, is it a what? I don't know what it is. This one on top of the table, we also fill it with chocolates, so that when you finish your food, you can take a chocolate. But now that it's very hot, we've removed it. We've removed the chocolates back to the fridge. Yeah. This is the dining. That's how I do it. I don't remove the whole of the table. Like the glass, like I did with the small ones, because this one is very big and it's very heavy. I might end up breaking it, which is not necessary, so I only do the top. We don't put food directly on the glass. We have those what are they called, table mats, yeah, which we use, but we don't display them on the table like every day. We only put them when we have guests. Okay, then on the opposite I have the cabinet, but we don't put cups and plates in there. We just put crystals. It's just like for decoration, I think. Just for decorations, we have put only crystals in there. Since my video is about to finish, there on this other seat here, down there is where we put our house phone, the internet, and the charger for the internet, because here in Lebanon, the electricity is a big deal. We don't have electricity. It can go even for 24 hours without electricity. So most of the times we are on generator, and with the generator, it's not there also 24 hours, because the benzene is expensive. It's everywhere with Ukraine and everything. That's the excuse everywhere. Yeah, with that, there is no fuel for benzene like to run it 24 hours. So there is rationing of the generator. And since we want to have internet 24 hours, we have to find means to charge the internet. So we have that. I will show it to you in the end of this video. We have that charger for the internet. Yeah, it runs for 24 hours. We never go out of internet as long as we have that charger. Now, here we have OCPD. I don't know if it's OCPD. I don't want to Google. I'm so lazy. But there is that disorder where somebody wants things to be very perfect. Like to be in a straight line, to be so clean, to be, spotlessly clean. So we have that here, and that's why I'm putting these chairs in a straight line. When you see me putting them and checking, I'm checking that they're in a straight line. Is it the same in your place? Let me know. So these are the internets and the chargers. I have to dust them, and that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video. Stay tuned for more deep cleaning house motivation as I take you through our house for yeah, where I live. It's our house since I live here. So yeah, this is how we do it. Tell me, how about you? Is your house so big? This one is so big. Is yours the same? If not, tell me, how is it?